Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. And if it sounds like I was crying, it's just because I just had a fight with my friends, but we made up. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, you knew I wanted that. OMG! Yo, oh my god! Thank you, Cooper's Cute, so much. I'm recording. I know, right? Can you send something good? Okay, he was trying to scam me by saying, like, send me something good and I'll send Spike. So I'm just gonna lock mine in because he was just being really mean. Do you like it? Yes. Yeah. Here. I sent him a cat banner, and I think that's what he wanted. So there's my username, and we've got 29 letters. I wish I had 30. There. Oh, thanks. I'm going to erase that for gems so much. Oh, well, it's cool. Oh, thanks. This is my second mail time today. Yeah, me, Petra Stellard, and Cooper's Cute. Me, Petra Stellard, and Cooper's Cute were just having a fight. But now we're all made up and, like, we're really close again. Sure. Thank you. Sorry, it's like, we're at a Monday I love. Don't give me stuff. Okay. You're welcome. Mustache. Only sometimes. Thanks, it's just what I wanted. That's just what I wanted. Actually, the ARTIC HOOD was, but, like, oh my god. And now my iPod isn't plugged in. It's been charging forever, and now it's like overcharged. And sometimes when it gets overcharged, it goes for like a long time. Thank you. It goes really fast because usually it's really laggy. No, I'm not taking any Mickey Angel wings unless I ask for them. Oh, thanks. I love ties and tuxedos. Okay, that's underwater. I'm sorry. You know what to do with a big fat butt. Sorry. That song is stuck in my head. Oh my gosh, thank you. That's actually really good because it's beta. Oh! Darn it! I just clicked that. I'll keep that and then randomly give it to someone. Here you go. Wait. You know what to do with a big fat butt. Wiggle, 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 da 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 da, wiggle, wiggle, da da da, like he's doing wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. It's like wiggle, 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 da 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 da, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Thank you. Gonna erase that for gems. Thanks. This is really basic. Can you do it back really good, maybe? I told her to check her rares, so then she was like, "Oh yeah, that was at the lucky party." I actually like that look. It's actually really nice. For some reason, I just really like that now. Thank you. You're welcome. Yes, it is. It's like, I was like, that's not beta. And she was like, yes, it is. And then she just sent me, like, random gifts. And then, yeah, like this. She just started sending me random gifts. Oh, this was from XX Lightning Wolf XX. You're welcome. You're welcome. wear cool hair. I just sent her pink hair. Pink hair. Oh my god, they're cool. Sorry, I'm just in love with Freedom hats. I don't know why. Don't overload me with Freedom hats though, because then it's not nice stuff. It's not really nice to have a lot of Freedom hats. Thank you. It's fun to have Freedom hats, but just not a lot. Oh, thanks. I want a cream beard and that's my color. So much. Oh my gosh, thank you. A lot I do. Thank you. That was such a failed voice. Hold on a second. Yo, I'm recording. Say hi. Hey, say hi. I'm recording.
Hey, Jammers, what's going down?
Thanks. I'm recording. Dad, did you hear? You know what to do with a big fat butt. Oh.
You calling my fat butt fat?
No, it's a song.
Oh.
So let's see what I got this season. My dad is very weird. Okay, so we got from this silver glove to this Arctic hood. Like that. So thank you for watching.
Check out your stitches. Come.
Yo. I will show you my bestest buddies ever. Cooper's cute. And Petra Stellard are my bestest friends in the world. So thank you. That's my username. I'm not changing it ever. That's my username. And so yeah, goodbye everybody.